indaba zamahiwa weCockerell nje. I remember the day ne.
Mara waphuza manje.
Kunala amanye amahiwa lawo.
Oh yeah.
So the day sidlala nani ne-Arcadia Shepherds. I-coach was Steve Hart. Akunelinye ibhola nje ambalishaya from that. Angithi yazi uSteve ngakuswitcha ke. Le bhola athi maliza so down ne. Angazi ukuthi ngilihead or ngilitrap ikhanda liyaduma ngilale ngo2 dlala ngo10.
Amahiwa kuvuruma.
Amahiwa ngisa nje amsuke. La ngabona khona ukuthi abona ibhola namahiwa akuhlangana. One thing uJuna is a straight talker. uJuna uma ungekho mnanzi ukutshela ukuthi awukho mnani. So lezi zinto azikhulumayo ukhuluma ivara. Ukhuluma ivare ukuthi azini akunabantu lapha ya. Knowing equality ye Chiefs. Tawo. Ngala abantu abanabo manje. Imkuba le lapha ya. Sorry to say that but mini culture Chiefs ngiyayazi leyo sizinyana engayispenda la bengazi ukuthi ama players adlala la kanjani. So uJuna izinto esiso maybe une-enga ye-Chiefs and une-enga manje ukuthi yazini labantu abalapha abayenzi lento le. I remember bengimaka uDan Molloy, if you remember uDan Molloy, umSuthu. He used to play for the national team. umSuthu ayabekubhizi lapha tawo athi Zuma ngiyabona ufuna ukungena but manje relax ngiyazi uAce uyakungani ukubonile uyakwazi.
Dumelang. Re khutlile vie mahopas. Let's keep doing the right things bafethu. Let's subscribe, let's share, let's like so that bafethu ihule Hope Network Sports bafethu ka lona re mo re leng teng because of you guys. So please let's keep on commenting so that re khone ho hola ihule Hope Network Sports bafethu ga leboha. Fandaga ke tshwere msholozi re mmitsa msholozi rona mmitsa Zuma marena o tla bua rena ke na mang o tswa kae wetsala eng distiwise la tsiwa re mo ke habo sports not ball fela yonke into kopaneng le sports nje ka ofela. So ke tlo nka this chance ke mo fe chance re yena e be ena introduce am bafethu tango msholozi
Ola Kawasaki
mojongwaneso
ke mnate
itara sure ne man ne ke re o itsibise ngwaneso hore msholozi ke mang o tswa kae we introduce nje wa bolella ma Hope Network Sports hore ma viewers a rona mo rai o ke Zuma ke msholozi why Zuma msholozi wa tseba thakazelo tsa lona balisa
Tawo umzwandile Zuma kunene lona. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ningiphe chance la kuma Hopas. Hopefully izokhula ichannel yonke into ibe sharp. Ni subscribe ni like and share.
Sure.
So lengwenye ngi-invitile la ngibuya kude nale outlet na Kawasaki, so we used to call him. So into yasihlanganisa anyway ke indaba zebhola. Namanje ukuthi sibe la today still nje sanokuhlangana ngendaba zebhola. So mina ke ngumzwanile kunene ijourney yami yebhola. Started playing I think benginabo ma 5 6 back at KZN eMnambithe kunendawo bathi Nazareth la ngazalelwa khona ngakhulela khona. Then at the age of 13 ngeza la eJoburg. Mangifika eJoburg bengizoyenza grade 8 Ellen Ridge Combined School eRabe Ridge. And then ngafika ngadlala noma ngifika la neJozi. I started my own team mangifika la eJozi. I think it was under 14.
Okay.
I remember at some point besiyodlala eIvory Park. Dusty ground as Ivory Park. So there was this guy. Lo muntu lona athi ne ngicela ukuthi ngik-assist kule team yakho ngoba uyintwana. Ngithi sharp akunankinga. Masike imini tawo. Besapheja ama 5 rand ngwanesi. So ngimlande ngithi ezikhulu manje phela siyodlala awufake ke 5 rand sobheja la. Lamana wonke ayi5 wop mfethu.
Ubona le ntwana.
Mona right 5 wop izoba right. And ngiyazi ukuthi thina silalela ama 5 rand la. I then survived that like ngigcwalise ngithola inyo ngigcwalisele sidlale siwine grand ngwe mangibuya la ngitshela ithama lami ngithi man le thama lela lapha lenginike i5 op and sibheja ama 5 rand ithama lama dozen my boy ithi ngenza team Then from lapho ke ila ngaqala khona ukuthi okay sharp manje sekune team proper because we had this sponsorship. I think Eskom be sponsor, New sponsor, Nestle be sponsor because Ebony it was a new car by then now. So yeah, everything was proper.
Yeah.
Yeah, ithamala moirani team moirana from lapho ngisa for ama trials eSland Park. Ngafika eSland Park ngadlala I think for a season nakhona under 14 sengiphumile kule district eKasi. Then the year 2000 I think it was 13 December tawo la sengiyabona ukuthi ne man la ngathi khona okungahlangana nyana.
Yeah.
Bekunama trials we Kaizer Chiefs. Thamala mbone ephepheni lapha ya. But 13 December ngo8 ekseni trials Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Angiyetawo but born ukuthi Chiefs phela that's a big team. Must figure up show more than 5,000.
Yeah.
And they only wanted 16 players.
You can imagine.
It's 13 December ngangena where umuntu obeka check ama trials bekugobosi you surely knows
Yeah, yamtava kubusa Alexander.
Alexander.
Yeah.
Daw okay basibeke angithi azibani grouper maline ngamaline. Hayi ngene mina I think bengise team yobo 3. Didn't even take me 5 minutes. Ugobosi wangibizwa wathi boy kama number ethi amalakho January ngizokufonela obviously ngisasentwana.
Yeah, for sure.
So
For sure.
ubane phone time. Athi ngizokufonela January tawo mele ngejimini imvula yashaya eMidrand
Yeah.
eraw
Navula.
ngahlala the whole month ngayi gaming ugobuso wafonela ithama la February athi kanti lentwana ipi ngoba phela siyajima thina ivini
Ngekho la.
so tawo ngazibuza ngathi lengwenya le the whole month ngayanga la mara February yaphela vele lithama la hayi sharp thama la mat nets fine mina ngizomlanda esigela ngizomletha ejimini thama la mdawu bekangilani thola imvula ina vele angilande angise ejimini mangifika la ngithole sobe sekusela abantu abayi30 out of lenyaka engangeshi
Libe khona yeah.
ngithole sekusele 30 kumele bakhathe vie until the 16 ngamanage ukungena kule 16 layer and we had a team ebe grand kakhulu Pidopa was there Siphiwe Shabalala
Yeah.
besimbiza Pidopa Mzizi was there Lucky yeah. Lucky bengidlala naye so nje i-team yethu be grand then out we bathu Lux show yamazu Lux uzodlala ku Bay
Oh yeah. Uyodlala ku
besimbiza Lux Chief wasevala so nje yeah ibhola idawe belingakhona tawo then ku Chiefs I think that season I had a best season tawo because ngathola I top goal scorer of the year and then from lapho ke sadlala ne reserve side bafuna promote ama players from under 17 to a reserve and by then the Chiefs were cancel under 19
besingekho yeah.
bese bayivala so kumele suke straight la siyele I remember bengimako uDan Muloyi if you remember uDan Muloyi umsuthu he used to play for the national team
Yeah.
umsuthu abekubhizi lapha tawo athi Zuma ngiyabona ufuna ukungena but manje relax ngiyazi uAce uyakunqanya ukubonile uyakwazi so tawo nje izinto bezisharp umuntu wangivalela la it was kunalomkhulu lona uFarouk yamazi
Eish. Yeah.
so maribhola yazi umuntu nawo uma umuntu
Unabantu bakhe.
unokuthi unabantu bakho nalo nabantu bakhe so then kwaba nenkinga from ku Chiefs from lapho ngachifta ngaya ku Vets kuma Colts
Yeah.
lapha it was uFloyd Mukhale
Okay yeah. You can mona Coach Floyd.
so ku Vets nakhona kwaba sharp bang change position from striker to right back manje ngiyabona ke manje inkinga zebhola ke
Manje uyomaka manje.
sekumele ngiyomaka
Yeah.
hayi uFloyd Avaya Floyd Makavaya ufike uSipho Sikhonde so you know Sipho Sikhonde wadlala Swallows yeah fika uSipho Sikhonde hayi leyabe kuyingwenya ke ilanga enjoy khona ibhola ke mase ngisuka ku Chiefs because ngathi mangisuka ku Chiefs inhliziyo yami bese ingekho sharp
Yeah.
but lengwenya yathi mayifika ya revive that thing within me saba sharp we went to Bay Hill tournament
Yeah.
and if I'm not wrong we were the first team we win a Bay Hill tournament yala eJozi.
Yeah.
That was a class of 2000 Wits University under 19.
Yeah.
We played the finale, the Tugs at Lone Stadium. That's where I met ulrato ace impinjam till
Oh,
nathi
yeah,
Shabana.
yeah. Aliku-
Match imdana
Aliku Taxi, yes.
bekule squad sabo nabo Bongi Macala abo Shuzi yeah leyo team leyo
Yeah.
yeah sadlala nabo asawini final mangibuya age seyangishaya ke manje ngayi ku Wits bese ngidlala left back and Wits they never had the left back ke down Wits monga base kade sibhabe badlala ngomuntu odlala ngo right after Ashley Makhanya yeah badlala ngomuntu odlala nge right mara ku left so they wanted the left back and that day I'll never forget that's daw indawo zamahiwa eCochrane just I remember that day
Mara baphuza manje.
kunala amanye amahiwa lawo
Oh, yeah.
so that day sidlala nani le Arcadia Shepherds icoach was Steve Hart akunelinye ibhola nje ambalishaya from that angithi yazi uSteve ngakuswitcha ke le bhola athi maliza so down angazi ukuthi ngilihead or ngilitrap ikhanda liyaduma ngilale ngo2 dlala ngo10
Yeah, amasuka kuvuruva. Yeah.
amahewa angisa nje amso ila ngabona khona ukuthi abona ibhola namahewa akuhlangana from lapho ke and lapho dawo bekumele ngibreak it through the first team event leyo game leyo iyangihlakaza leyo game leyo
Isa.
Usipho he was very disappointed that yabona Zuma ngikuthembile I know ukuthi left backs bo so shaka mnana labantu abana left back so manje angazi kwenzakalani
Eish.
dawo mapolitiki webhola
So kusho ukuthi vele back in the days njengoba usho betime lela kutholela i-team like from la usuka khona uzofika eJozi uyabona uzofika eGauteng vela uthi ufuna ukudlala ibhola i-time la wona that hayi ithi ngibe uMamkhize incusi yami ibini team ayidlalele kube icoach yakhona kusho ukuthi if ever izinto zezava grand ingabe seyitop manje
yabona if izinto bezigrand dawo yonke into bengishapho
because ubani lokho nalina sponsor nyana tsi few
ama sponsor bewakhona siyazidawo izinto ezimoshaya life inini yabona ungafika uqale into uyi1 abantu mabayibona ukuthi iba sharp
bese
bafuna ukuzwakala
bazomosha
bafuna ukuzwakala bafike bamosha that's what happened kule team leyo because yonke into ay right so kwathi mase kufika laba abanye abantu sebafuna ukuza ngento zabo nani thama lama kusuka umuntu okhuluma kakhulu wavela watazini ithini nginikele team niqhubeke
ngayo kanti bayibula
yafa khona and la ifa khona mina vele sengisekhona somewhere else
so kule team leyo boyiqalile and then uTimer wathika over nguthi akusupport ukuthi begrand ubona bobani mhlambe usabakhumbula maybe abanye baye baba nelucky ukuthi bayenda bese badlala probably maybe kuma professional or semi professionals whatever amajito ngathi usawakhumbula mhlambe wadlale nabo lapha
no within that team ibe kuyilezi zengcwadi ngithi ebhoni besasikasenisha so batshela ukuthi ama cheese boy abheke incwadi nani so nje from that team later malama azange ube namajita vayile amajita laba va khona I think bekune out bebathu Trompisi abomhlengi umazidlala ku Holpack then there was Mario naye ngadlala naye ku Chiefs so iboni team engathi ya producer ke le ama player but nabo bayazange baye endaweni ezifera
so njengoba utsho bro aka uri that was your gateway your through your like i passport yakho ukuthi ungene lapha na ku Wits wayibona and then it happened or unusi right wayabo you went after ubona or watseba keng ke nna tlhatlileng ka chance ke thotsimo ila wetsa eng like wena oli one bro aka la ding
yona tawudading mfethu ngathi mase ngihleli ngi1 thinking utazini bengine opportunity phambi kwami but because of mina ngibe reckless that way ngibehave ngakhona the night before a game that thing costed me dearly so nje I think iyo into nokhawatha amajita kabaya taw angeke udlale ibhola uhasile the day before or ulale ngo4
sure
it's not easy because mawungena lapha you not yourself as I can even make you a simple example this past Sunday bezidlala nabo Isaac eGomora show uzwile ukuthi kwenzakaleni nawe wakayitholi
angakathuli istory
taw
angakathuli istory angitshela
njalo ngiyo mana
tshela ukuthi kenzekale
no Isaac unokatshela umrake athi umrake anizodlala nathi you guys must come prepared umrake athi hayi so sharp masifika la mfethu ama iBev yazi Isaac afika athi mina ngidlali ngiyocoach intwana zami tawo labantu bashaye 5 goals before within 5 minutes in fact bese ba leader 5 yabona lengwenya lezi focusile ndo
for sure
thina ikhanda liyaduma abuya backline ukuthi yabona ibhola notshwala especially mawuthole abantu abane discipline
disc for sure
then lapho uzoba ne problem so and then taw fast forward from Kuwait ne ngaya Bloemfontein Young Tigers I think they coach u David Stolle David Stolle so mangifika la bekhona bomatoto nabo banibani yonke into
wabonithe kumtoto
bomtoto so yonke into besharp utawo ila ngathi disc ke sengiya reverse ake manje lapha mfethu ngafike ngatriala first week grand Friday 11 idolo lami dayide ngiyahlala ngayi ay David Stolle athi niyazi kumele ubone umuntu ozokuchecka grand ngithi ngicela ngibhukhele eJozi ke ngoba lengwenya ayingifuna vele la ayama ngifika eJozi tawo it was Monday ngagibela Saturday Monday ngiye kule doctor abangireferele kuye ithi ayo grand awuna next following week ngidlala idisc egas top 4 2 games
ukrend
ngadlala grand Monday back to Bloemfontein Tuesday mangijima then I was
wabona
akusi
for sure
so nje nawe yazi ediskin kunjani kunamajita bese nokuphila nawo kunamanye amakamera obungangeni hlala elikhiwe so ezinye izinto lazibuya siklikhe khona ukuthi hayi man lo muntu lona uhlala edladleni elingaka makuneni ikamera lingavuza so kwenzakala mayitawo elima yabona izinto sezenandi so ebholeni nje ngathi inkinga zakhona bese ngeke udlala ibhola ngobuso kuphela dawo
for sure
now maybe ungangichazela from your side
because that which on I can attest to it as whatever all the time phela re buwa ka tabatis kwa bona so sometimes how buwa into people they thinking kwatile uPeter what yabona lento le because I always share story some the time ngikuparate
understand remember
ukuthi njalo mangimela ngiyodlala mabangibiza ku selection mangimela ngiyodlala eCoxal ngene inyawo luvuvukile but game ayiceda ukuphela ngikrene akuna fokolo yenzakalayo kimi akubhlungu akunto maka eCoxal ngene uyayibona lento le so abantu ababhaya probably they will think ukuthi lezi zinto lezi azikho or whatever isikhuluma ngazo we don't know ukuthi bekwenzakalana anyake uzolokuthi ubani okwenze kanje ungana proof ungana ama facts walezi zinto you understand so into isho bro ngiya understand 100% ukuthi usukela eBloemfontein mafika eBloemfontein inkinga mara mawubuya uyakhona ukudlala uyayibona lento le so somehow bro lezi zinto lezi izinto engathi zikhawatha disk because abanye abantu bazenzela ukukhawatha abanye abantu abayenzile ukuthi yena abe grand ukuthi okay ingenzele mina ngiyodlala waye wenzela ukuzwisa umunye umuntu obuhlungu so lento esho ngiyayazi nami iyenzakale kakhulu kimi yabona nje so kokasi Msholozi ngifethu besihlezi siblomile kabhaya and what I like ngawe you always organizing ama game even if besikhasa sihleli sisiphuza but you always see a lot of ties hayi the mean Loftus leba ngacabanga Loftus yethu ikazi yaseEbuni uyayibona le renyo si Loftus besihlezi sidlala ngama weekend and the way bekumnandi ngakhona eEbuni the way bekumnandi ngakhona program from laphana ka Prati besihamba nisonke bekugcwala le background
blind
so what happened program because ngibona ngathi akusekho like before like it is mfethu into yasekasi but manje nginokungidlula maybe sometimes maybe ngeSunday one or ngeSaturday ngibona lapha emagroundini ngithi hayi man
uyabona mawungabheka that era yethu thina besihlangene sidlala ibhola
for sure
then masilokhu sikhula sahlangana nabantu umuntu odlala ibhola ngoba sekasebenza ukhona ukafford ama Cox
yes
then kanjalo it becomes very difficult ukudlala idisc thina phela besiyazi you know squad sethu besikhona ukuba maybe kuba amajita wePSL wonke Uthi ukuthi yimi kuphela engadlala ngePSL
For sure.
but the core amajudo ePSL so dlala iDisc.
Yeah.
So but manje laba bakhona manje abantu uzokutshela ukuthi nanekile blind omunye akutshela ukuthi mina ngibheka uJacob G734 udress akutshela ukuthi uRabutla since uDomo athi angisakhona udlala ibhola so yabona ukuthi kuyanyiwa manje akusafana.
Yeah, for sure. But kunale game one, if you remember that game.
Yeah.
Esalare dlala ku Cleveland.
Yeah.
Do you remember that game?
That was a game and a half.
Do you remember that game? That
was-
game I always tell Ntwana
That was war.
Yes.
That was war.
What was happening kule game lana? Bekwenzakalani bekuliwa bekunama ama groups besizama
Lapha.
ukulungisana lapha yana ungitshele mfethu. Because
Lapha.
njalo bengihlezi ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi le game lana if ngabe ya televised.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was a game and a half.
Yo.
Now, if you remember,
Yo.
there's this guy, Ali G. You call him Ali G.
Eish bra mfethu.
And then we had Obama.
Eish
Tough
Mr.
guys.
Mo.
So the two
Yeah.
were not in good terms. And then nabo ace besinama divisions.
Yeah.
So manje lezi zabo ace, uace uphethe lezi Sundowns, zabo smooth.
About Dino Ndlovu.
Abo Dino Ndlovu,
For sure.
abo bani bani.
I remember that game abolungisa indlela.
Abolungisa
Emfana.
So mina ngithe uma ngibheka ngithi kumele ngizomela uAli G la. And uAli G uthembe bani uthembe Kawasaki. So ngithi okay, ngithi yimi ngayibhilda phela i-team yethu.
Hey, I remember that's why.
Nazini bafethu ukuthi senzeni peace. Nina basebheshi yenzani i-team yenu da. Nibe no France wenu.
Yeah.
Thina soba no
No
Skuvela.
Ali G. Yeah.
Ngakubamba Kawasaki kunenkinga kumele silungise. Ngifonela uNinja Gabriel Mfokeng. Ngithi Jomo.
For sure.
Kunenkinga emele silungise. Ngiyazi ngifuna amajita engazi ukuthi la mangiphethe le khole. iSundowns noma ingeza yonke bese ngana nkinga.
Mfana.
Then it was yimi uwe uNinja and then I called in uLtladi Madubai.
Yeah.
That was solid.
Yeah.
I think we won that game 4-3.
Especially, I think it was 5-3 or 40 something. Because
5-3. Yeah, that was a nice game.
that was a game and a half.
Ibhola belimnandi.
Yeah.
Belimnandi. Mawazi ukuthi uyodlala ibhola.
Whatever mshuluzi wanye kubuza ngale game lana. Is because le ntwana seseclavini. Cabanga lezi ntwana bezincane kanjani that time.
Yeah.
But bahlezi bangibuza ngale game. Ayo bro scooter bona before kwakho le lamadlala la kuhlala khona bo Obed man.
Yeah.
Yakhumula bekwi ground lethu lapha yana.
Ground level.
Basho bathi man. Bekwenzakalani lapha especially le ntwana le bathi uRonaldo.
Yeah.
Ronaldo sakakhulile ngihlezi ngihamba naye le ntwana
Ngibona,
le.
yeah.
Ngibuza scooter mara ungitshele lapha yana abovuyo nobo AC lezi yabundlela yini benigurasha nalabantu laba ngoba le game le la idlala la. Yeah, that was personal.
Yeah, it
So
was.
ngasho ngathi manje ngizobuza uZuma nge-one day ngoba uZuma uyebeka organize le game le. Uyabona? Akangitshela ukuthi bekwenzakalani la. Balethu uJohn John imdili ka-AC bathi uJohn John ahambe nani.
Hayi lapho uJohn John wadlala ngaye lapha tawo. Khumula mosoni bambe senza umlanda so. Look at hey. Thoma ufika ku-18. Walibeka phansi. Wathi stop wow John John. Walrola ngalithepa in next.
Yeah.
Uphumela ngaphandle arikhupha mithi bathi baba akuphuzwa amanzi futhi ubhiya
For sure.
ngathi ayabona la.
Yeah.
But those were the days.
Yeah, those were the days. Yeah, that was nice.
Iski sidlalile. Yes abanye abantu sebangakhuluma nje manje
For sure.
ukuthi mara ibhola thina besidlala dawo. Sidlala samajita sesonke.
And one other thing engayisho wena mshuluzi mfethu. La besihlala khona besihlala sisonke all the time. Regardless of we're doing what maka besihlala sisonke izinto ezibhaya bezingekho out there because of besihlala sisonke unlike manje because of singahlala umuntu sekathatha ifone sekakuthatha isithombe sekakufaka emapayeni kulezo zinto zakhona lezi snacks icheresi ipheliwe so nje wena ngoba ubona manje izinto zenzeka bro wami especially ngamajide besiphela nawo I know you've been close no Ace from Tala bro wami namanje you understand you've been close no Ninja. You've been close nami, but mina ngikwazi after amajita sesihlangane eBhoni. But even not today, you guys are still together. And then we hear rumors or we see the podcast. So not really true now. Only this podcast yabo kana bayibitsa man. Yabo Sjuku.
Yeah, ngiyayibona.
Ngiyayibona.
Yeah.
So they always talk about majita. Last day never nali. What is his name? They even mention your name now. So nothing zokubuza ngizokubiza vese.
Isilitswalo. Thabo.
No. Shoes. Yes. They called shoes there. And then they end up mentioning your name. Bare shoes ubile nesandla ekhiriyeni ka-Ace ukuthi ibe la ikhona uyabona and then they ended up bringing your name,
my name,
you understand. So ngwaneso since mina ngiyakwazi ukuthi amajita we-disc vela bonke unabo bonke wonke umuntu unabo lento le ikuphatha kanjani ukuthi abantu bathi uZuma bekakhona kwi-downfall ka-Ace, uZuma bekakhona kwi-downfall ka-Ninja and he was part of that, but now uyas-distance angazi ukuthi sinsekuphi because mina ngihlezi ngikubona nawo amajita all the time namanje besikhuluma no-Ace nge-video call, you understand. You've organizing things, okay, people don't know, but I don't wanna take into ditaba tsa hao ke di tsetsa ka wa ntso. So what is your take on that ngwana mme hore you get attacked, people are saying ay uZuma nabo shoes yibo benze Ace kanje bebamphuza utshwala bangamkhuza ukuthi ayijimini and ngapha uceda ukuringa ngokuthi ikhasi ne-disc asihlangani.
No doubt mina I'm one person or straightforward. Into my wrong and ngokutshela as much as nami ngazi ukuthi ama-flop am abuya kuphi and into wrong tawo ngeke ngithi ngazi ukuthi lento le ibe wrong for mina then ngifaka omunye umuntu ngenhloko. Tawo first of all umuntu makazisipanela aziholela angeke ucontrol umuntu ukuthi aphile kanjani
ngemali yakhe.
You understand imali yakhe angithi umuntu uzospenda la uyafuna ngakhona and at the end of the day yabona lento le ukuthi uzoblame umuntu ukuthi imali yakhe uyenze ini ngayo awazi ukuthi lo muntu bekayenza ini anenkinga ezingakana.
Thank you very much.
You know I'll make you a simple example. Even nanga myself people are talking ukuthi uZuma bekanethenda udle imali, they don't know ukuthi bekwenzakalani.
For sure.
So mina one thing that I prefer umuntu azeke mangibuze straight ukuthi kwenzakaleni then ngizokubreakela yona down ukuthi 1 2 3 4 so into zama speculations azikho sharp. I think it's not fair ukuthi abantu balokhu bajudge abantu and bapoint ama fingers ukuthi lona wenze lona ukuthi aye phansi nani no. Umuntu kungona umlande direct umbuzise mfethu what really went wrong yena akutshene from a side in lakhe than ukuthi uzolokhu ukhombana nabantu nani.
Because when I'm sure why ku study denye ona lento tse baya tse leng hore we went through tsona wa bona le dinyo kana ka nna le sa skhatsi sethu and then manje asisadlala ibhola sizingama time abanye bethu sishadile sinabantwana kwenzakalani yabo then kubukela iTV angazi I'm not angibaqindezele labantu laba the way bayenza icontent yabo ngakhona, you understand. But do you think ukuthi it's fair ukuthi umuntu azokhuluma ngoZuma eTV angazi ukuthi uZuma wenzani namhlanje bese uzothi loyo uye bekafakela lamajita lababuchiri ngaleso sikhathi let's say you wanted to watch that podcast with your family and then boom nangu uyahlaya bathi hayi nangu umshuluzi lo mjita loyo uye bekabulala bo AC abalethela bochiri mina okay mina ngeke ngize ngithi wena uke waletha bochiri but mina since mina siploma sonke angazi mhlambe ke kwenzakala but I can't remember. Angikhumbuli ngikubona uze nabo chira abayi5 futhi usikuta naye chira uthi mama naye chira njengoba ushiya. So lezo zinto lezo manje sibhekile bafethu sit affect kanjani since singama family men manje.
Yeah, you know mina down one thing ngizokutshela yona ngine-mail smart. Email yami history yami yimi engamtshela yona before uthi azoyizwa
for sure
yimi engamtshela yona ukuthi history yami so and now tawo if you can be honest yes besikhula kwenzakala izinto but mina was one person mina tawo if you remember image zami zazi3 mina bengihlala ngine-rechte unless okay the first one washona mkhumbula uThuli you know uThuli very well we made up maybe for 11 years and then kwaba khona umama kaTK like now you know her then we parted ways. Other than that mina into zamantombazane tawo yes lokho ganga khona bese seyintwana but mina always had irechte and mina bengiba nesikhathi sami mangithi today I'm not going anywhere ngisihlalele nomuntu wami quality time nomuntu wami so that's how I used to live. Hayi ukuthi makuthiwa kiwa le umoya mina bengihambi nomoya and labantu hayi ukuthi mina mangekho bebangaphila impilo yabo. Bear in mind tawo modlala ibhola you tend to have a lot of friends.
For sure.
Akusuzuma yona. Nini nokufeel ukuthi hayi uzuma yangibhora today. You
Ithi kulandisa abantu. Yeah.
So uma laba abanye you do whatever that you're doing. Mara ibazi ukuthi uphila noZuma isikhathi esiningi uzuma uyohlala kuthiwa uzuma.
Yeah.
So ezinye izinto abantu abangazazi lezo. Bona nje bazoloku bathi uzuma this uzuma that.
So into engibuzayo ngithi since abantu they always judge and abantu they always say whatever they want to say. You understand? Njengoba ngikubuzile ngiyakuzwa loyibeka ngakhona. Uhlele manje nemedia yakho. Yes, she know history yakho. Naba labantu bayakumention. Wena kuwe bro wami. Ikuphatha kanjani lento leyo? And then most uthi uyabheka uthola ukuthi nangu Ace uyakhawatheka. Njengoba abantu bathi uyakhawatheka. I don't believe mina umuntu maka down and out uyakhawatheka. Yes, kubo bangathi uyakhawatheka because of material things.
Yeah.
Because of akasanazo lezi zinto bekanazo.
For
You understand? But impilo isesekhona. Yebo. So mabakhuluma ngawe bathi uZuma he's part of a downfall. Yeah, 1 2 3. How do you feel bro? Maybe we begile bro la akayiboni. Mhlambe akakaboni basho kanjalo. Mina I was watching it and then uShuzi was there as a guest and then uShuzi bambuza lawo question ukuthi nanibona lama player nibona lama player nifama player abocheri ni phusisa ama players utshwala, all those things. You understand? So they ended up mentioning names. They end up mentioning Vuyo. They mentioned Vuyo. They mentioned a lot of guys' names. Whereby today these people banale the family banalibana banalibasadi. Ngiyahlala lapha phansi ngithi amani ngifuna ukubukela uSijuko namhlanje ngifuna ukubukela uNtshumayelo. Ngizwe ukuthi bathini. Then your name pops up.
Yeah, pop up.
Yeah, ngezinto ezi-snacks. We thatha kanjani?
Ashona Tao, it's very disturbing lento leyo mfethu because angazi ukuthi ngiyachazela kanjani
Yeah, for sure.
sharp utawa eko sharp because mine is like ngathi bahleka lo muntu ukuthi unenkinga ngapha bafuna ukublame abanye abantu and ngapha they tend to forget ukuthi sesikhulile manje. Yes, you right, sinama families nani angeke kube mnandi uhleli then kuphuma izinto eziso akukho sharp. So nje angazi ukuthi going forward izinto eziso singalungisiwa kanjani as much as bathi ukuthi thina besenza nabo laba abakhuluma beba nama flop wabo and wona wabakhulumi wabo bana akekho umuntu wakhulumayo.
Yeah.
So nje okunye Tao mara hopefully going forward such things zo stop but nje lento ukuthi umuntu mangekho sharp sekumele kuthiwe ukwenza ayikho sharp.
Yeah.
Tao akekho umuntu owayo umuntu uhlehlele emuva khokha amandla lapho uyakhona ngeyawazi kuzoyenza.
Yeah, uzokwazi ukusekwenzakala.
Yeah, because very same people what laba zobakhuluma lo muntu maseka sharp bazobe sebathini ke futhi manje.
For sure.
Ila sebazothi yeah sekalanda inyoka bekayothwala.
And khona manje wena bro wami why ngikubuzisa this question is because people they tend to judge, they tend to say things selunguri abazazi khona manje abekho their distance ulrato ula khona eyisula khona they don't know anything ukuthi kwenzakalayo but you always keep in touch, you always trying by all means ukuthi uzame ukuthi umjita begrand. You understand? But they are not there. Izothi lo muntu lomjita lo maka sekabuyile la akhona unaye futhi bazobathi sekabuyile. That is why I'm saying these people they judge but they don't know behind the scenes people belungu they are there to help this soul mfethu uri ibe moyeni lokuthi before but what they do is to judge people belungu they are not in the limelight because of this one is in the limelight and then bajaja ola umumbara this one all the time like you said sikhulota also ene mangisipana nginenyuko yami ukhuluma iqiniso anyaka uzongitshela ukuthi ngispende kanjani imali yami uyayibona lento leyo. So into esingasho ukuthi abantu abayekele ukwatheka abanye abantu ngezinto ukuthi abekusho ngazo uyayibona lento leyo. Sure. So Ngwanesu, do you think ukuthi abantu abafana nabo Ali nabo Mr Mo abasekho manje kule ntwana lezi zamanje ezidlala idiski makasi?
Yazi Tao,
checking where we coming from here.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah.
Baseko. Noma bakhona they very few.
Yeah.
Yazi mongabheka impilo yamanje Tao, it's more like on socializing indaba zotshwala nana ibhola bafew abantu abathatha ibhola serious. Tao before ibhola belithathiwa serious besikhona ukwazi ukuthi the whole day so bese grounding but manje umuntu makazogeza aphuma endlini uyacabanga ukuthi esani mangisuka la ngikushaya kuphi nalentwana lezi ezincane man I think emakhasi seziyakhawatha akusafani nakudala ukuthi yazini kunalama Grootman laba bazi ukuthi yazini kumele ngizobheka intwana so nje it's very difficult for
It's very difficult.
yeah
Because why I'm raising that point, I can see you're still trying to hold on kumajiteng or badlala sports wabona, because every Sunday la dlala wayibona la lenyo, so le majita belong gore ba bang ne re phela kaofela. Last time I ne re tlile kara you came with, I was impressed mfethu ka what you did le Dr. Madubai,
Yeah.
because le ma sister, and then they ended up playing.
yeah
If you remember that game, Manchester ka batlile mo la di supporters tsa lona wa dlala ho ba mnate wa bona.
Yeah.
This it shows hore sports mfethu ke boss, sport se kopanya batho. So if ever re ka etsa dintho right, especially ko makasana wa bona, maybe re ka I revive at ke go kasi wa ba grand wa bona la lenyo. So ngwaneso, besides taba tsa di tsona tsa di bolo tsa hore bomang majita be leng hore o tswa feral ball ba tladileng le bantseng ba dlala, you hang out le bo mang most of the time. Now I know hore you always go to skiing, you always with Dr. Madubai, you always no Ninja Mfukeng, you always na machita pa, I understand. But for Hope Network Sports viewers, I understand, they want to know ukuthi okay uzuma bro ba bang ba tlo hopola wa bona, ba bang ba ka se hopola, especially match table tladileng le bona ba tlo hopola le bantseng ba o bona, and ba tla ba tshwara who's this guy go good commenting ba botsisa.
Yeah.
Yes, re ka se ba le kaofela, someone you didn't make it to the professional, but question ya ka ke yona yo ya hore Msholozi o give up ile ka sports or ntwana tsa hao di dlala bolo wa di khothatsa or bo TK we tsalang ka dintwana.
no TK thing my boy wa dlala o sharpo and then I sihletsa bola again, then
Yeah.
my first born uko Pretoria University.
Oh, okay.
So I motho la lang disk ke TK.
Okay.
Ke na dlalang yeah Marlena tlamle ke matlele team proper.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
by next year. And then when it's coming to hanging out le Majita, now I still hang out le Majita. Dawe ne re phela ka teng gale.
Yes.
Like for example, ke sa Bloma le Vuyo. Ke sa Bloma le Tata Malinga.
Yes.
Still chill le Tata. Ke a Bloma le Ninja whenever Ali free.
The free o le teng.
Re a Bloma.
For sure.
Ke a Bloma le Isaac nek na lena
Ka
Sunday.
weekend, yes.
Isaac my man we're chilling together. So I still get to meet Machita nje ba nek phela le bona gale. Just nje no se re godile o sa
For sure,
tshwana le
for sure, se tshwana le
before.
pele, yeah.
But nje Machita was still there.
Yeah, because the last time ke bone o nona le bo ne le ko gaming ya, I think ke ya Junior Khanye ne ko Davidton or ke ko Katlehong bo ona le bo Lucky Mzizi.
Ne re le ko T-Town ne go curtain raiser no dlala yeah tournament ya junior, so junior ne re kopanse team or curtain raiser before final.
Yeah.
So leader mithile le Machita ne re plomile. Yeah, no, we still good.
So ka re ke a tseba fela wena le junior fela le close nyana, even though not that close, I don't know wa bona. The other time on organize Majita ne re dlala ra ko Olifantshe ra.
Yeah.
After that and then or host ra ko Ebony wa hopola.
Yeah.
So what is your take on people are taking Junior, especially Kaizer Chiefs supporters and Pirates, saying Junior is always Marine Chiefs and Pirates, and then Ohamara the players like Uzuma inkomo leyo. What is your take on that? Ko yena maybe una ukamringa uring but sometimes ilingwe sekas ngathi hayi inkomo omunye umuntu ayithathekayo.
Yeah.
Kanti angithi sinama meaning amaningi lezi zinto lezi. So uthi mangithi ngiyacheka nje mangihleli endlini kuma comments nani engiyabona ukuthi hey, he's been attacked blind, and some people you remember but some people kill die hard supporters.
Yeah.
Imagine makakopana le yena was gonna, we're not saying una something e bad tla hala, no, but what is your take on that or the way it's andinto ka teng?
You know, though, it's a pity nje azange ba le chance or ke bue le Junior about that thing. But mina da when ngibheka ngakhona mase ngihleli nge1. uJunior I think iChiefs imhethile somewhere somehow. But yena uzongicorrecta la khona if azofeel ukuthi ngi wrong or right.
Yeah.
maybe the way bamtreata ngakhona or the way exita ngakhona lento leyo uyafeel ukuthi azini abamvayisanga ngendlela sharp or something the way mina ngibona ngakhona it's my opinion and I'm entitled to it
for sure
so I think yiyo into emuphinkinga leyo because like uJunior ngathi akafuni next to do it with the Kaizer Chiefs and uzobheka another thing uJunior bekuyiplay quality with Kaizer Chiefs maruko wabona mawenza ama game ama legends bambiza they don't and before kuba nazo zonke lenkulumo lezi and one thing uJunior is a straight talker uJunior uma ungekho mnanzi okusho ukuthi awukho mnani so lezi zinto azikhulumayo ukhuluma ivara ukhuluma ivare ukuthi azini akunabantu lapha ya knowing equality ye Chiefs tawo ngalabantu abanabo manje imquba le lapha ya sorry to say that but mini culture Chiefs ngayazi leyo sizinyana engayispenda la bengazi ukuthi ama player adlala la kanjani so uJunior izinto esiso maybe une enga ye Chiefs and une enga manje ukuthi yazini labantu abalapha abayenzi lento le like abasibona bawashiya la abawayenzi so I think maybe nje lama emotions ahlangana wonke kuye ngesikhathi esiwani because lengwenya le phela bemnandi lengwenya le Junior bemnandi so nje izasevutha most bekhanda la so i-team if uyithanda ubona sekwenzakala so lento le izokuhlukumeza and uJunior umuntu outspoken uyakhuluma
for sure he's a straightforward talk
mina nje I would wish ukuthi Chiefs ngathi bangamamela uJunior lezi zinto azikhulumayo balungise bazenze babone ukuthi ngeke kube nama changes
bayithathe positive
bangayithathi negative
bangayithathi ngendlela
lebethatha positive way yazi at some point down ngeke ngatshelinye out ngathi yazi Chiefs I wish ngathi ngabuyela back to the development the way bengakhona development the Chiefs in fact I'll make you examples bekunabo Rufus Makoti abo Sibusiso Mahlangu those guys were quality but they never got to play for Kaizer Chiefs since I think went to SuperSport Rufus went to SuperSport then Swallows bekuyi quality ephuma ku Chiefs right now akusena quality ozothi iphume ku Chiefs bayisa iloni kuphi ayisekho so I think izinto aboJunior abawarangazo diamond something is not right there and then another thing mina ngeke ngawisha sometimes angazi bengitshela abantu ngathi bangathatha maybe a person like uJunior or a person like uJabu babafake lapha ku development bapheke lentwana lezi look at the Pirates bekudukudu is doing well there so nje tawo abantu abaso ebholeni uyabadinga I mean tawo na uma bangagayi chance bathi tawo bamba nayo team ibhola lazo I understand but mawungabheka unokubheka lama coach we development Chiefs abanye angibazi ukubazi ukuthi bekubani obuya kuphi so I fail to understand ukuthi babathola kanjani these people while kunabantu abazi game out there abantu abangayenza kube nomehluko within the team phela if ungathatha uJabu umfake la or uthatha uJunior umfake la iChiefs within 2 seasons ungabona ukuthi hayi kunento ehambayo ke manje so bona bakuboni lento lezo so I think izinto ezenza amajita somewhere somehow babe neenga or le team igcine sebanyanyisa because of such things
ne bashebile dinto se negative fail ayibona leyo abacheki hore muthu uyibua from what you understand bona se bashebile fele lo ra ya or tloela 1 2 3 yabo so njengoba uyishilo wena mshuluzi because this thing phela remember respond ka di YouTube mfethu everyone unale opinion ya high ba understand umuntu ukhuluma whatever funa ukuyikhuluma hayi lo yazidlisa hayi lo wenzani laba uyabona lento leyo so mina ngingahlala ngathi ngiyabheka ngathi ngifuna ukubheka ngothi uJunior why bamqindezela kangaka kwenzakalana yabo because siyenza into efanayo phela sizama impilo ama podcast not that ukuthi sizala sizoqindizela abantu osokhuluma umuntu kabi nani when you tell stories ezenzakile eTiski and then you check ama comments mawusumnandi la or ungekho strong la izokudestroy because things bazishoyo bro amsibhlungu you understand and we are not here to attack anyone we trying to size la singasiza ukulungisa la kungalunga kho uyabona so what can you see to these supporters belungu they are taking him in this manner ebamatheka ngayo masungaba usokhuluma nabo nje ungathini kubo labo abazobe babukelele show yethu
mina daw from my side what I can say is I wish uJunior can be given a chance ayenze something uChiefs maybe bamnikeze under 17 under 19 whatsoever that boy knows ibhola bheka team kaJuna se produce ama player ngakho so far academy yakhe
yeah abhaya
and uyakutshela ukuthi lezi mali so I mean if owner a team bowunomuntu oso lo muntu loyo awumcabanga ukuthi Mariazini if ngathatha lo muntu lo forget ngenkinga zakhe adlule kuzo makada
for sure
ubheke future ubheke ukuthi sekaphila impilo enjani yes uJuna bekaziphilela life yakhe mara wakhula wachange naye academy yakhe usho ukuthi if iChiefs beyifike before uJunior aba ne academy yakhe ngabe iproduction ayikho la
ngabe khona ibhala
yazi mina iChiefs ngisabheka ngokubheka mfethu down uzobheka umuntu abamba ibhola la uliphazela ama supporter le kunale ngwenye efaka le title
yazi kunezinto ezibhayo abona Mshuluzi ne yizo izinto enguthi mhlambe sikhuluma ngazo yiso yabo riri bona man relatively disc rona answer relatively disc rona ndikatsi ba defender sibiza ngenkomo we're not saying he's a bad player but because of uyamaka nanana I'm defend uJunior angidefend uJunior I don't know ukuthi yena uyikhuluma ngendlela enjani but mina ngiyazi ukuthi besinokuthi Msholozi aqeda lo muntu inkomo le akekho umuntu yabona so yizo izinto esikhuluma ngazo ukuthi abanye abantu bayithatha ngenye indlela the way athekwa ngakhona sebayithatha ngenye indlela
yazi abantu bapi ilabantu abangazi ilanguage ebhola
yeah for sure
and my shoot ama die hard na ngiya understand mara izinto eso abantu abazibhola
they do understand ukuthi sikhuluma ngani
yeah so laba bangalazi dawuvela inkinga zohlala zikhona nje
so nganisa Msholozi ke mase sisiye ukuvaleni njani uMsholozi uyenzani manje uMsholozi ubhizi ngani yezwa ukuthi uTK umfunela i-team intwana yakho uzoyitholela i-team one thing for sure izinto zohlangana even though we know ukuthi abantu bayavala mfethu amajita bayavala siyavalelwa nathi sivalelwa left right and center incozi zami zidlala disc make abantu ama team yabo bakhona abangozwa nje wakaloke uyahlupha uloke uyayibona lento leyo incosi yami ihluphe bani okay ithama lakhe uyebeka hlupha ithama lakhe bekahlupha makenzani makafuna imali yakhe uyanganesana because thina siyacindezelwa ukuthi ufuna what is due to you what you were promised ukuthi this is gonna get and then if outside tooling ngi3 or ngi1 bathi uzothola ngi1 bathi sokunikeza 5000 ngi1 i1 zifika uthola 5000 yakho mawusoya uyobuza nge5000 yakho kuthi hayi lo yahlupha uyabona le hayi lo yahlupha mara ufuna lento leyo uyipromisiwe and the next thing manje siyandlulela nasenganeni zethu whereby intwana meya lapha yana mabaqala bezwa ukuthi hayi intwana kaScooter intwana kaLoke le hayi yena uNtswimbu but inswembu but
yeah uraba yonke lento ayikhuluma evume ekuqaleni
uyanganderstand bro so sikusuffering incusi manje because of thina bro we bona kanjani yona
ngikuthola dawu leyo ngeke change yohlala ikhona so mina what I'm doing khona manje nabe ngisalungisa impilo yami
for sure nje for sure
you know ukuthi bengine contract nomasipala okay lot was happening abantu they can say whatever they say but mina I'll tell it as it is once une contract kamasipala let's say you earning that 380,000 leyo mali yakho leyo
that's what they think
remember unabantu abasipanayo labantu laba maybe month you must give them 150,000 ama expenses wakho labantu osipana nabo lawa masipala bakutshela ukuthi bona bafuna 100 if you don't give them that money they will make your life very difficult
you're not gonna get anything
yabona sencounter mali 250 out
it's gone
kule 38 let's say 38 for example 250 it's gone but abasebenzi kumele ube nemali yokuspana for the new month
for sure
maybe looking at around 102,000 ekumele ibe khona kusele malini kule mali
akunalutho lisele
mali then umuntu come and say uthatha imali wayenza so sharp after lapho i-contract yami ithe mayiphela dawo kwezenye out yami I wanted to car wash you know that I wanted to take my money maybe 200 ngi-invest e-car wash yami kwafika enye out that guy who must start into zama motor spares athi mfethu ngine building isharp ready ngicela ungisize senze motor spares ngabona ngathi okay sharp ispares I know sine new angisazi dawo phela
for sure
ayithatha inyuku yami ayifaka la first month I think sivule kwi-15 August. Month end bese boma 40 something thousand nge-15 days. Yabona ukuthi I mean like 15 days sewenzele ngathi sithatha le mali sibuyisela back to slow siyasitoka. Ngithi asikayi 3 months idayini. After 3 months sesiyasiholela ke. Dawu mfethu ayiki payment engiyaziyo kuya la.
Yo.
And manje yazi ukudila ngento ongayazi, it's very difficult. So into eyangipha inkinga mina empilo yangibuyisela emuva that other than that being sharp, but namanje it's fine. Yonke into iba sharp. Then my question to you ke manje. There was a time since uhambe uyothenga inandosi nje yami. Still this day. I don't know why.
Bafowethu. Here's the situation. Splomile. Ntona. Asikakaholi bafowethu. Nishaya around yonke into imnandi hayi ngathi ulungisani indlela nokomiti ngathi abafethu enzani ipapa lapha ngiyakhumbula uchipa bekafuna ukuhamba nami ngathi hayi bafethu ulungisani ipapa mina ngiyeza ngiyothenga inyama lapha ngiyabuya hayi khona ngoba bengibona ngithi high pressure la eish anganyamalala ngibona sengibona after a few years ne
yo maybe after 2 years dot yo not talk about
bengine pressure
since I buy none
bengine pressure nje yami nemshuluzi ngwanesu wabona when it comes to tabenza business ngwanami we have to sit down and do ama research correctly so that before we can go into so because lena you remember I had quantums wabona nekile mu industry ya takes but unfortunately things didn't go the way negative because I didn't know anything about the business wabona and then you come and then people they talk bad about we what umuntu wayo unjani just because of imoto sekho I'm still njengoba ushilo mfethu sobuya ngamandla via understand so impilo njalo so mina what I can say bro in whatever that you're going to invest in again try to researcher ube sure ukuthi imali yakho uyifakapi you understand uyenzela wena nengozi zakho wenzela abantu they will always talk. People always talk. Masingaphila ngama opinions abantu program. Anyeke siphile. You understand? Not to say ukuthi anyeke uthathe advice from uScooter or anyeke uthathe advice from whoever. But if uphila ngama opinions abanye abantu, you'll never go anywhere. You do what is right for you and your family and then impilo izoqhubeka. Let people will always talk Brian. You understand? Unfortunately we made mistakes. Masakhula singabo baba manje sesiyazi ukuthi each and every cent counts for ingosi zethu. You understand that? So coming back to 80 skin ke mase sivala ngwanami ungathi kulezi ntwana lezi sincane nje ubisa ugaya nje advice kuzinto esisindlule kuzo thina what advice can you give to the current players and then sis rekwale ngwaniso.
The one thing that I can say daw ukuthi ba focus espanini sabo idisk ispani daw mawusuka endlini uthi uyespanini and ispan lese source ifuna idiscipline because umzimba wakho kumele unakekele daw once unganakekela umzimba wakho udlala ibhola
for sure
then i-career yakho iba short so nje into engayisho ukuthi bazinakekele bayenza ama choices are right and bayenza sure ukuthi ama surroundings wabo their circles abe right and babhekela ama slay queen because you know there's this thing yo down unalento le yama soccer babes before bekuthiwa ama soccer
besibabiza ngama soccer babes
slay queen
besibabiza ngama soccer babes
yabona abasikazi banenkinga so nje mabangayibheka from lapho yabona down now I think ukuba nemedi early kwakusave entweni ezibhayi cabanga ifuso nto sibeka ngekho
yo
maybe ngabe ubheke phezulu elisuda sazi
vela mfethu ivar
I think nje ukuthi babe discipline babe nama partners straight hayi lento le ama multiple partners it's not gonna work for them. That's the advice I can give them down.
Thank you Ngwaniso. Thank you so much mfethu for honoring the invite. Ngiyalebonga ushapile round and ufikile on time ngwana mme you gave me chance uri kibuye wena so I just want to thank you so much mfethu from the bottom of my heart. I so wish uNkulunkulu mfana ngakusiza izinto zakho sihlangane vie for ingosi sakho for family yakho ukuthi ilife ibe grand and thina abanye sisemuva masibhekile. You understand the good things that you are doing mina mfethu from me thank you so much mfana ori usikalahlela isimatso just like babang bamlahlisa isimatso. You understand so khohlwa ka batho ba tlo phelang ba tla ka di-negative things lebala ka bona wena you're doing the right thing rona re shebile ra bona ba bona ma understand re tla re thuse mo re thusang teng ha o kopa thuso ho scooter tla avail ha le teng ngwana mme for you for le ole o mong a be sharp wa bona so thanks ngwana mme for showing up
bonge mina
so Hope Network Sports bana beso ra le wa le bone fanda khanne ke tsore Mzwandile Kunene rona ko kasiri ntse ba ka Zuma re ntse ba ka Mshuluzi is very 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 passionate ka disk ba fethu ke out here grand so whoever out there ba fethu leng gore maybe una le ntho tse right tse positive to help you are more than welcome to le role so ha re kwala re thank you so much ka di-comment tsa lona ba fetho di a re hodisa and mo re ntseng di-mistakes teng mo re ntseng diphoso teng ka tla sa mo lokisa but thank you so much until next time ba fetho tanko